Guys, this has been an amazing trading week. Today, I am going to drop 3 signals. These are some of the trades that I am taking in the month of June, and they can give you the amount of percent or number of pips you are looking for in the month of June. Yesterday, during the consumer price index data release, there was a signal we took on the pound against the US dollar, and that trade performed very well. I always tell you guys that the fundamentals determine the overall direction of the market. Yet a lot of forex traders ignore the fundamentals. I dropped a video on fundamentals yesterday. If you watch that video, you will get an overall direction of currency moves this period. If you are a returning subscriber, great people, you are the reason I keep coming out here to keep doing videos. It's nice to have you in the community. All right, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. You will also know that in the description of this video there is a link to a free WhatsApp channel. I drop some of my swing signals there for you at no cost. Let's go to the chart right now and start the analysis. Now, this is pound against Swiss franc. It was one of my students in the Weldds Forex Academy that did the fundamental analysis and sent to me, and when I saw his fundamentals, I saw that this trade has great potential. I opened my chart immediately and I saw trading setup, and I took this trade yesterday, and it is still a nice trade that you can take. All right, so this is pound against Swiss franc. If I remove all the drawings, this is what I saw. If you look at it here on the daily time frame, you take a trend line, you see that there was a trend line here that was broken. Then you check here, there is another trend line. This is how we took it. If you look at it, this thing broke out here, retested and went there, then came back and retested, and this is a very good confluence. So if you take your Fibonacci retracement from this level and measure to the top there, I saw that this trade turned back at my 78.6 fib level, this level here. It's a very nice level for me. So I took a long position from here. The trade is currently in profit. My first target is around this zone. So that's my target. Stop loss was kept here with a risk reward ratio of 2.83. I entered 2 positions there. So if that level breaks, we'll be targeting the second one here with a trailing stop. That can take us a risk reward ratio of up to 7. Once it hit the take profit one, I will move stop loss to break even and leave the other one and trade stop and follow that second one. So this is my first trade for the week. If you want to see the entry clearer, come to 4 hours. This is 4-hour time frame. Okay, so from here to this point, this was our entry. If you want to join this trade, this is what you will do. Was already in profit for the people that entered with me. I shared it on my WhatsApp channel. You can do this from here. Just take Fibonacci retracement, measure from here to here, and wait for a retracement to the 61.8 level around here. You can set a pending order at 1.140. I don't chase trades. Set your pending order. If the trade comes there, it's good for you. You can join the trade. If it doesn't come, I just know that you missed that entry. You wait for another one. The second trade I have is New Zealand CAD. I always get my trading ideas from the fundamentals. So when I come to the technicals, I only look for breakouts and retest. So if you look at New Zealand dollar CAD, this is a trade that is running, and I just want to show you how I'll be managing this trade, because the fundamentals showed me that I should be buying this currency. Trend line on the daily time frame was broken and retested. So we had an entry around here, which we took. We left the trade running. Okay, so now there is another setup after the break of this resistance level. The market broke there, retested, and this trade is on. So if you come to the 4-hour time frame, you will see that there is a trend here that has formed on the 4-hour time frame. From here, this came here, tested. This was a fake breakout. All right, so we took the trade around here. So what you will do if you want to join this trade, use the Fibonacci retracement. This is my tool for entry, and do this. If you allow this trade to come back to the 61.8 fib level, you can enter the trade here for a long position from this point. Then stop loss right there. This place will be your take profit 1, and after the take profit 1, somewhere here will be your take profit 2. Okay, so you can, this trade does not have much to offer, but at least you can somehow manage to get a risk reward ratio of 2:1. Okay, New Zealand dollar CHF is another good trade this period. And guys, the Weldds Forex Academy has started. We started giving people deep information about trading. If you are not in that community, you're missing out. And we are running a promo, $60 only for you to learn how to trade. We are taking you from total beginning to advanced trading just for $60. This promo ends this month of June. Okay, from next month we go back to our normal price of $120. So do yourself a favor, check the description of this video. You will see a WhatsApp chat link. Send me a message and be a part of the academy today. I gave this trade in my last signal because if you check the daily time frame, this was what I saw there. I gave this trade. If you watch that video, it's on my channel. So I was hoping that this retracement will come to at least the 61.8 fib level for my entry, but you can see that it did not come there. So I came to the 4-hour time frame. I was waiting on the 4-hour time frame. This was what happened. There was a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. So the market move here, came down, gave you a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. And after some time, I saw a break of structure. If you have not watched my video on market structure, it's on the channel. You can search for that video on market structure and watch it. It broke out of this area, came back to retest. So this became a good entry point for me. I took the trade here, this current buy position. And this trade has a risk reward ratio of 6. If you want to join this trade, you can come to the lower time frame, 1-hour time frame, and watch out. So what you will just do is draw the Fibonacci retracement from this point to here. As you can set a buy limit at this level, 0.5517. You keep your stop loss somewhere there, and then you target the same place. You can catch a risk reward ratio of up to 3.4. If you plan yourself very well, this can be a good entry for you. If you have any trade you want us to look into, please drop a comment here and I would show you.